What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. I don't know if you guys 100% agree with me, but I think I found the most useless feature on the LG Stylo 4. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so obviously you guys have seen many videos on the LG Stylo 4. Kind of milk this phone. Honestly, really like this phone though, and what it had to bring to the table. Really great phone for the price. Honestly, anyone who got it for $29 or under 200 bucks for that matter, got an amazing deal on this phone. Some of the videos that I made, like the pros and cons videos, were for the Cricket wireless version only. So I was basically saying the Moto E5 Supra was a much more superior phone to the LG Stylo 4, going straight off of price and specifications. But going straight into this phone, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at a feature in the camera that I think is the most useless feature I have ever seen on the LG Stylo 4 to date. Now obviously you guys know that we have this full vision display or whatever on here for the camera, but there's also something called Q lens right when we open up the camera. Now this is gonna be on the LG Q7 Plus as well, but it's honestly a gimmick. I think it's more gimmicky than anything. So when we open up Q lens, we get the visual shopping Amazon tab right here. We also get this little thing that looks like a Pinterest. I don't know if that's Pinterest logo or something else. And we also have scan QR code. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the visual shopping, but we're going to go ahead and use this on a product right now. We have this ZTE Quartz. This is a smartwatch that I have reviewed in the past. If you guys want me to do a video on this again, definitely leave in the comments down below. But let's go ahead and show what's up with this. So you take a picture and it says finding on Amazon. Free jazz. I don't even know. I would much rather just use the Amazon application to go ahead and find the product and actually type it in, because it didn't pick up any of the product information about this. Now I've saw this on other phones and stuff like that, and it's worked much better, but on here I just do not know what's up. And I've tried this on multiple products. Let's go ahead and try the side of the side view of this product. Now it says take a photo of the item, so we're gonna go ahead and take a photo of this again. As you guys see, we took a photo. This time we had T-Mobile in there, so hopefully we'll get it this time. And there you go. We finally get the Quartz, but it's the screen protector. It's not the actual watch. But let's go ahead and try another product on here. It's just been super inaccurate so far. So next thing we have up right here is the PK3, the Meridian Technology LG portable speaker that LG has sent me. I will be doing the review very soon on this, but we are going to take a picture, and I know for a fact this is on Amazon. So this product is actually on Amazon 100% without a doubt. So we're going to go ahead and take a picture of it using this. So we scanned it, finding on Amazon, and some HDMI switch splitters showed up. I don't know what that has to do with a Meridian speaker, but let's go ahead and take a side profile pic of this and see if it works. Let's try this again. So 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like it's just gonna mostly pick up the text off of this. And refurbished TVs and a Book of Dracula pops up. Yeah, so this isn't super accurate whatsoever. I'm going to try one more product, and then we're going to move on to the internet search. But just to go ahead and try this again, we're going to try the PK5 LG Meridian Technology speaker. Let's go ahead and take a picture of that. And we took the picture, finding on Amazon. And LG Stylo 3 Plus, LG Stylo has nothing to do with the actual speaker. But that's okay. We're going to go ahead and try visual search now. So let's go ahead and use something else to do a visual search. So right here, it says take a photo of the item, and it will go ahead and do a search for you. So next phone we have right here is the BlackBerry Key 2, as you guys know already. Let's go ahead and take a photo of this. Boom. Finding on Pinterest, and phone cases just pop up. Let's go ahead and try the Huawei Mate SE on Pinterest. So what I'm getting from this is it does bring up some photos of phones that look like it, so it's not accurate to what phone it actually is. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you think I'm wrong? Do you think I'm right? Definitely leave a like on the video if you guys did enjoy. Also hit that subscribe button if you guys are not subscribed and a part of the Tech Gang. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.